You've been scrubbing, spraying, and wiping for years. Every surface in your home, floors, countertops, toilets, smells clean. But what if that scent is the Syndicate's lie? What if every lemon fresh spritz, every lavender sparkle mist is just another chemical cocktail, soaking your home in toxins the resistance is trying to eliminate? Let's talk about steam, because if you're ready to fight back, this is your next mission. The average home has over 60 toxic chemicals lurking in plain sight, mostly in your cleaners. That multi-surface miracle spray, it might contain phthalates, formaldehyde, and artificial fragrances that trigger asthma, mess with hormones, and linger on surfaces your kids crawl on. Think about it. Would you ever spray that stuff directly onto your child's hands? No? Then why are we rubbing it onto the floors they crawl on, the high chairs they eat from, and the toys they stick in their mouth? Steam is water, unleashed. When you heat it past 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it transforms. Vapor rushes out, loosening dirt, dissolving grease, blasting bacteria, all without a single drop of bleach or chemical cleaner. This isn't a gimmick. Steam has been proven to kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses on contact when held steady. That includes staph, E. coli, and even mold spores. No gloves, no warning labels, no ventilate while using. Just press the trigger and clean with power. Steam mops work beautifully on tile, hardwood, vinyl, and sealed floors. But the real magic? A handheld steam cleaner with attachments. That's how you clean grout lines, under toilet rims, baseboards, behind the fridge, shower doors, window tracks, even car seats and high chairs. If there's grime in a crevice, steam gets it out. Kids and pets are floor-level creatures. That means whatever's on your floor ends up in their lungs, their mouths, or their skin. Chemical residue, they're absorbing it every day. Steam doesn't just clean better, it cleans safely. You can sanitize toys, clean a spill, or refresh the carpet, all with nothing but water. No fumes, no burns, no mystery ingredients, just clean, the way nature intended. Start simple, a quality steam mop for your hard floors. We've linked our top pick in the description. Level up. Add a multi-surface handheld steam cleaner, the kind that tackles your tile, your baseboards, even the gunk around the stove knobs. Want to go full resistance? Look for a model with adjustable pressure, interchangeable nozzles, and a decent tank size, so you're not refilling every 5 minutes. We've done the testing. You'll find the Safehouse-approved steam tools in the links below. The Syndicate doesn't want you to know this. They want you buying bottle after bottle of chemical sprays, wipes, and foams forever, because their system is built on repeat purchases. But steam is power. Steam is permanent. Steam is how you take your home back. One tank, no chemicals, all resistance. Click the links in the description to see the top-rated steam cleaners we trust and recommend. Then head to detoxthehome.com for more mission briefings, safer swaps, and your free starter kit. Because cleaning shouldn't come at the cost of your health, and you shouldn't need a hazmat suit to scrub the floor your baby crawls on. Welcome to the resistance. Now go, steam the Syndicate out of your home.